everyone, welcome back to my channel Cars and Furious. In today's video, I will be opening more than 50 diecast cars from both Hot Wheels and Matchbox brands. These cars were hand-picked and they're all cool brand name cars, and they're all cars that exist in the real world. My dad helped me in opening these cars from their cases. Since there are a lot of cars, I've decided to split this video into 3 parts. Today's video is part 1 of the series. The other parts will be coming up shortly. Stay tuned and look out for my videos. Let's begin opening the cars now. The first car in today's lineup is the MBX Highway edition of the 2015 Mercedes-Benz G550. Next up on the Matchbox line, we have a Lamborghini Gallardo police car. Also in the MBX Highway group is the classic white Mercedes AMG GT 63S sedan. Up next is the stylish Audi R8, which is the MBX City edition. Here we have the 2018 Ford Mustang convertible. The next car is also a Mustang. This is the 2019 year model of the Ford Mustang Coupe. The first Italian car of the lot is the 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Wow, that's one good-looking car. Next up, we have an interesting car, the MBX Jungle Edition of the 1995 Porsche 911 Rally. The last Matchbox car of today is the MBX City Volkswagen The Beetle convertible. The first car of today's Hot Wheels Speed Graphics is the 1987 Dodge D100. The next Hot Wheels Speed Graphics is also a Dodge. It is a 1968 Dodge Dart. Our first Japanese car for today is a fan fave, the 2008 Lancer Evolution. It's labeled as a best for track car. Next up is the Nissan Silvia S13. This car is new for 2020. Here we have got the 2018 Ford Mustang GT in red with black stripes. The last car of today's lot is the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor pickup truck. These are all the cars that I have opened so far. Part 2 is coming up next. In part 2, I will be opening the Porsche series and some special edition cars including Fast and Furious. If you like my videos, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel.